YouTube. Let me see if I turn this way. Okay, so the lighting is better this way, but I can't see. Hi YouTube. So back again with another video. We're in Key West. Me and my family, it's Sani's birthday, so we decided to do a fishing trip because he loves fishing so much. So we're staying at this place called Old Wooden Bridge. Yeah, and we're on a water boat, which is pretty cool. So we're just gonna be here for just 2 nights, and yeah, we're gonna fish. Hopefully we get some big fish. We have a lot of bait. We want to catch some snapper, so we'll see how that goes today and tomorrow. So it's gonna be 2 days of fishing, and whatever we catch we'll cook, we're grilling. So yeah, stick around. Honey's on the grill. Good, yeah. Oh, see, that's my that's my non-meat burger. You want yours in the video too? All right, give your red some video light. Oh wow, we have more. What you want video light too? Okay, cool. All right. I'm not taking a picture, you know, so I don't know why you're posing. It's a manatee. It is huge. Oh, and it's still on there? Morning everyone. So it's the next day, it's Saturday, and I didn't really get a lot of videos of yesterday. I just didn't. I'm just sitting here in the sun because it is chilly. I don't understand why, so I just need some warmth. But we went fishing in the evening till the night yesterday, and then we came back. We caught a few fish. It wasn't a lot, and I think it's called roast. We put it in a foil, which is, and I should know the name. I think it's roast fish because it's my second favorite type of fish. Escovitch is my first. And I didn't take any video. No, nothing. But we're gonna make that again today, so I'll put a video of that. It was so delicious. And then more family came, and then 4 o'clock in the morning they all went fishing again till a little after 8. And I didn't because it was so cold. When it's cold, I really do shut down, and I just can't manage. I'm like, I don't want to go out there, it'll be cold. I might not catch a lot of fish. I hope you can hear me. The wind, like, it's so windy. Should I buy a microphone? I don't know. But it was just so cold that I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go to sleep and I can do this again today. And because we also have more family coming. So I'm gonna show you the bridge that we were on since it's daytime. Couldn't see anything last night, you know. Like, we go on bridges and there is no lights there to show. But yeah, I couldn't manage the cold. Cold is just, it's just horrible. Like, I can't concentrate on anything when I'm cold. Like when I'm at work in that office building, you know, it's freezing, so I can't concentrate. So I'm just gonna chill out in the sun for a bit, and then I'm gonna get some video of today and what we're up to. Yeah, I just love seeing palm trees all around me. Palm trees and beautiful skies. So nice. And water, even though I can't swim in that water, but love it. Oh, we have a fire pit here. I had no idea. You guys look like you're moving in slow motion. It's not like a grill master. And there's no impossible burger. Yes, salt bay maybe. Garlic bay, garlic powder bay. Salt bay. Any old weed, yeah, I get breathe, boy. I'm a killer, Pass up a toast. Killer, I'm a killer, don't pop off the most. Skin color. Lick me up, I'm call the police for you. Abuse. Couple cooking.
Listen, some scream fire, fire. What is called?
I like the glasses.
This is Zenny, okay, Zenny.
What? I don't know if it's gonna get too dark when we start going fishing again, so I just wanted to show you the bridge that we're going fishing on. So this is my unit, and then right here we have the walkway, and then we walk up. Let's go.
And then I have me.
Hey, there's you. And you're gonna be fishing for the first time?
Yeah.
Okay, and you too, Shugi? Okay. All right, and we basically walk up here. It's steep, so
You better be careful.
yeah. So that's where we were, and we came over here. No, the bridge's not far. There is a bridge. We're on it. So I'm gonna just show them how close we are. Yeah, this is where we're gonna go fishing.
It's our fishing pole.
Yeah, right on the bridge. So then we go on the sidewalk. Yeah, we'll go further up. I'm not gonna walk further up right now. Yep, to go on the side. Just cast the line. You see the trees? Look at Shugi. Look at those big birds. See those big birds? Yeah. That's your cabin. So yeah, we'll go further up there. But yeah, this is basically it. Alright, so so we're ready for the night fishing. Can look at all that shrimp, and we have more. Them gone with the other like half of it. So we have whole heap for tonight plus other frozen bait. So we're ready for the night fishing. How much hours do you think we're going to be out there? We'll see till the bait done. Hopefully we catch some snapper. Alright. So I just walked over the little rail here because this is heavy, but Sonny has a whole cart, and I don't know if you can see him. And we don't have far to go, but when you have heavy stuff, it feels further. Well, people, I'm not telling my lie. I don't like to take out the shrimp them by myself, but I can't wait for people all the while, so I might have to be brave tonight. I'm so scared. Alright. I couldn't do it. I'm afraid of the flicking. I'm afraid of the flicking. I'm gonna use frozen shrimp till somebody can do it for me. I'm gonna get my honey to put this live shrimp for me. So I can't take flicking.
Look
Is
at
it big
that.
snapper so far?
Turn off the light, babe.
Snapper? What's this? Mangrove or
Mangrove.
For real?
Yeah.
Look at this size. I want to measure it to me so I can see. Well, I know this is a keeper,
Yeah, for sure.
but I want to see the size.
Okay.
Yeah.
So somebody have to go.
Let me see, honey. Snapper. And is that mangrove or what?
Mangrove. Fucking well, me more bro.
Huh?
Not try to me more thing.
Oh, wow. You clean up on purpose? For real? Wow. Aw. Sorry, little fishy.
Hey.
Hey.
I don't see it. Where is it? Oh, I see it. Some type of other lines.
Ooh, that is it. That is it. That is it. That is it. That's almost it.
Bring it.
Damn.
We lost it, guys. We lost it.
It's like, yeah, it's like him a move backward.
On purpose.
Yeah. Thank you.
Got a bigger net?
Yeah. Right here. Yeah, you ready?
Good one. Good.
Yes.
That tarpon feels like it's moving. I think it's trying to pick us.
Okay. Yeah, that is almost.
I thought we caught it.
That got some weight to it.
That is it. That is it.
That's it.
Oh wow. Wow.
You guys
That's dope. That's dope.
Oh.
Wow.
Thank you.
Hey, you're welcome. I saw you guys. I saw your small one. I was like, oh, shit.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Hey,
First tarpon?
who caught it?
Yeah. Congrats.
Who caught it?
Thank you.
Is it one?
Sonny got
it.
Oh my goodness, Uncle Sonny.
There's some big ones out here right now. Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Where you get that?
That's at any bait store, bro.
Okay.
Any bait store, you can get it like $40, $50.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
whenever you get like big coolers and stuff. Yo, still in it. See me? Hold him right to say you. All right.
Come and take a picture.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
so much,
Thank
bro.
you.
Appreciate it, brother. Congrats, guys.
Watch out with this. Come on, honey.
Listen, you want some more weird fun?
You need to turn it around like.
No, we don't want these things. We never like.
Okay.
Yeah. We never
Tanya, see if I can. You have to go get it one day.
Alright, honey. You got it. You did it, honey.
So I've been fishing my first time here in Key West, and 3 times it busted my line. I'm kind of sad.
Yeah. I hate when they do that. It's like you think you have it.
But
Then
you don't have it.
Yeah. Don't love that.
I think all the fish are on this side. I say we keep fishing on that side,
Yeah.
and they're all coming on this side.
Yeah. We'll just keep like going back and forth. But isn't this fun?
Yeah.
Yes. Hey girl, you throw line? Hey girl, where you go? Hey girl, are you me a chat to? Hey girl. No. Hi, mom. Sweet potato. Yes. Hi.
She's putting her hand, and it's gonna be.
That's okay. Okay, be brave. It's fine. It's just a strength. Okay, they keep moving.
Yes, you gotta be quick fast.
I got it. I got
did?
one.
You got one?
Really small. Oh, it's so tiny. But
I
it's
got
okay.
one like this.
I got it.
Look at that.
I'm brave.
I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna. When you want it next time, I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Then
Okay, I
you-
did it. Okay, you're gonna get the shrimp now. You got it. Just grab it.
Oh, yes, go ahead. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
you can do it. It's not as bad as I thought.
You can do it.
They're not even
You can
allowed.
do it.
It's not as bad as I thought. And I haven't
I see a
done
tiny one that I want to do.
Yeah, grab the tiny one.
But it's by one that's alive.
Once you put your hand in there, it's like they
Give it to
move.
you first, baby, and you feel how it feels to have it in your hand first.
Once you put your hand in there, they move.
Is that its baby? I guess. Can you pick it up and then I can feel it and then I'll do it?
Yeah.
Cause I don't wanna. I wanna feel how they feel.
She want that little one that probably dead.
Tiny.
We're gonna cook, you know.
Yeah.
We're coming.
Yeah, I'm gonna come down too.
Are you still videoing? Oh, I don't know.
You good with that live one?
Yeah.
But I drop it back down, you know.
Good job, baby.
You did it.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, alright.
Bye bye, little shrimpies. I wanted that tiny one.
As usual, Williams family scaling all the nice fish. We did really good tonight. Big fish. What is this? Roast fish? What's this called? Steam roast fish on the grill. And meat that I don't eat, but here's a steam roast. Show you when it's done.
Take off the shirt, now take off the doje, take off the Birkin bag, take all of it.
Okay, so it's our last day for our fishing weekend, and it's early in the morning. And before we leave, Sam is gonna throw a couple line. What you say, I got catch?
Trying to take a shower.
He's trying to catch a shark.
Look at the boat them there.
It's clear. No. Oh yeah. I don't know if it was showing camera. Can't see it. It's a shark. Oh yeah. Yes. Wow. Very cool.
You guys got it? Not yet. Not yet. Oh, that's a nice size.
Need this line, right?
West End Negro. West End Negro.
Let's see.
West End.
It's so hard.
No, that is allergy.
One-shot wonder.
Closest.
Go on, eh? Huh?
I'll take a look something else.
You cannot jump. Ooh. One more. Yeah. These are trained. These are trained. They feed them that. No, they're like.
What is it gonna be? They're going to the way to print. Ada lagi nak.
What I want that card.
Come on, kids, they don't get kids.